Welcome students. Today we are going to see the key of the TestMOS exam conducted by APMF on 14/5/2020. To write the exam, there is a link in the below the description. Let us see the answers. The first question is log tan A plus log cos A plus log cosecant A equals to dash. Let us see here. This is in the form of log x plus log y plus log z. So log xyz is the answer. So log x is tan A, log tan A into cos A into cosecant A. This is the problem connected with the trigonometry. So log tan A means sin A by cos A into cos A. We can write cosecant A as 1 by sin A. So sin A will be cancelled, cos A will be cancelled. So log 1 is the answer, but here log 1 is there is no log 1. So log 1 value of log 1 is 0. So the correct answer is 0. Next question is pi is dash. So we know the value of pi 3.14159 and so on. So it is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. So non-terminating, non-repeating decimals are irrational numbers. So answer is irrational number. Next problem. If log A equals to log 5 equals to A and log 2 equals to B, then we have to match the following. First one, log 10. Log 10 can be written as log 5 into 2, that equals to log xy formula, log x plus log y. So log 5 plus log 2. So here log 5 is A and log 2 is B. So answer is A plus B. So we have to match like this. Next, log 2.5. Log 2.5. We can write log 2.5 as 5 by 2. That equals to log x by y formula, log 5 minus log 2 equals to 5 is log A, log 2 is B. So A minus B. Next, log 25. So log 25 can be written as log 5 square, log x power m formula, m log x. So 2 log 5. So 2 log 5 means 2 into log 5 is A. So answer is 2A. Next, log 20 equals to log 20 can be written as 5 into 2 square, that equals to log 5 plus log 2 square, that means log 5 plus log 2 square can be written as 2 log 2. So log 5 is A plus log 2 is B. So 2 log 2 is 2B. So we can match this. Log 2.5 is A minus B. So log 2.5 is A minus B. Next, log 25 is 2A. Next, log 20 is A plus 2B. Let us see next problem. We have to match the HCF of these pairs. So 15 and 25. We can find 15, 25 HCF. 15 ones are 15 and the remainder is 10 and 10 ones are 10 and the remainder is 5 and 5 twos are 10. So HCF is 5. So HCF is 5 and 72 and 99. 72, 99. 72 ones are 72. The remainder is here 7, 27. Next 7 2s are 54 and the remainder is 18, and also 18 ones are 18, remainder is 9, 9 2s are 18. So the HCF is 9. Next, 20 30, 20 30, 21s are 20, 10 is the remainder, 10 2s are 20. So the HCF is 10. And finally the remaining option is 1, so we can match like this. In this problem, we have to match the P by Q form to the decimal form. So first one is 3 by 8. So 3 by 8, we can write 8 as 2 cube. So we need 5 cube to multiply. So into 5 cube, that equals to 3 into 125 by here 10 cube, that means 375 by 1000, that equals to 0.375 is the answer. Next, 13 by 125 equals to 13 by, this can be written as 5 cube, we need 2 cube into 2 cube, that equals to 13 into 8 by 10 cube, that means 104 by 1000, that equals to 0.104. Next, now let us convert 7 by 80 into the P by decimal form. 7 by 80 can be written as 7 by 2 power 4 into 5. That means 7 by 2 power 4 into 5. We need extra 5 cubes, so into 5 cube into 5 cube, that equals to 7 into 125 by 2 power 4 into 5 power 5 cube. 5 into 5 cube means 2 power 4 into 5 power 4, that equals to 875 by 10,000. That means 0.0875 is the answer. So we have to match this, and we can match this like this. Okay. Next problem. This is the Venn diagram, represents the prime factorization of 48 and 140. Now we have to find the HCF. To find the HCF is the common prime factors, the product of common prime factors of the both numbers. So common prime factors are 2 and 2. So the product is 4. So 4 is the HCF of the both numbers. Next problem. If x square plus y square equals to 6xy, now find 2 log x plus y. So we need to find 2 log x plus y equals to, we can write this as x plus y whole square. We know the formula of x plus y whole square as a plus b whole square. So x square plus y square plus 2xy, that equals to log, already in the given problem x square plus y square equals to 6xy. So instead of x square plus y square, we can write 6xy plus 2xy. So log 8xy. So this is in the formula, this is as the formula of log x y z. So log x plus log y plus log z. So log 8 plus log x plus log y. Log 8 can be written as log 2 cube plus log x plus log y. So log 2 cube equals to 3 log 2 plus log x plus log y. So the answer is 3 log 2 plus log x plus log y. Let us see one interesting problem. Which of the following is an irrational number? If we observe the options, first is a terminating decimal. So all terminating decimals are rational numbers, so it is a rational number. Okay. Next, see the last one. This is also terminating decimal, so this is also rational number. Okay. Second option is a non-terminating repeating decimal. So non-terminating repeating decimals also rational numbers. Observe the third option, 3.140, 1400, 14000. So these are non-terminating and also non-repeating. Non-terminating and non-repeating. We know that non-terminating and non-repeating decimals are irrational numbers. So this is the final answer. The statement A and statement B. Statement A is 7 by 20 is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Let us observe 7 by 20. Here the denominator is 20. Denominator can be written as 2 square into 5. Here it is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So it is a terminating decimal. So terminating decimal. So the statement A is wrong. And observe second one, 9 by 15. Here numerator and denominator are not co-primes, so we have to cancel with 3. 3 3s are 3 5s are. So it is 3 by 5 and denominator is 5. So denominator is of the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So it is a terminating decimal. So the statement B is a terminating decimal, so it is a correct one. So A is true, A is false and B is true. So it is. Above diagram represents the prime factorization of 60. Now we have to find the x plus y. Let us find the x and y values first. 60 equals to 6 into 10 and 6 equals to 2 into 3. So the value of x equals to 3. Next, 10 equals to 2 into 5. So the value of y is equals to 5. Now we have to find the value of x plus y, that equals to 8. So 8 is the correct answer. Here 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 is dash. Let us see. If we make 5 as common, so 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1, that equals to 5 into 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 24 1 is 24, 24 plus 1 25. So the number is 5 into 25, that equals to 125. So it is not a prime number, it is not an even number, it is not a multiple of 7. So it is a composite number. Here we have to find the unit digit in 6 power 2019 plus 5 power 2019. Already we know that the unit digit in 6 power n, where n is positive integer, ends with the 6. So unit digit is 6. The same is applicable for 5 power 2020. So the unit digit is 5. So the unit digit in 6 power 2019 plus 5 power 2020 is 6 plus 5 equals to 11. So the unit digit is 1. So the answer is 1. Next problem, if AB are co-primes, then A square equals to B square. Next problem, if AB are co-primes and A square equals to 2B square, then already in the given condition they said that AB are co-primes. So HCF of AB equals to 1. So A is not a factor of B and A divides B. These two are wrong. And let us check this. If A square is equals to 2B square, A square equals to 2 into, we can write K. So now K 2 divides A square. 2 divides A square, at the same time 2 is divides A. So answer is 2 divides A. Problem, if log 8 plus log 2 minus log x equals to log 4, then x equals to. So transfer minus log x to other side. So log 4 plus log x. Now log x plus log y formula, log xy. So log 8 into 2 equals to 16. Here is also log 4 into x, so 4x. If we remove the log on both sides, 4x equals to 16, and now x equals to 16 by 4, that equals to 4. So 4 is the correct answer. This is so easy. These are the direct formulas. Log p plus log q equals to log pq, as log x plus log y equals to log xy, and also log x power m equals to m log a. In the same way, log p power q equals to q log p. Log x minus log y equals to log x by y. In the same way, log p minus log q equals to log p by q, and the remaining is log q power p equals to p log q. Dear students, you can get daily key for APMF online exam in this channel, and PDF is also available in the description link. Wish you all the best.